Okay, guys, so you just watched a video on the human organs and the human body. So we're just going to go ahead and do the reading for today. It is coming from Human Organs, and it's the reflect portion or this section of the text. Okay, so we're just going to focus on the reflect section. So I'm going to read it aloud, and then I'll stop at what do you think. So I want you to just follow along with me as I read. Have you ever been to the doctor and had your heart rate measured? I'm sure most of you have. What about your temperature? These measurements of our bodily conditions are important to our health and development as people. So think about why it might be important for you to go to the doctor. Why is it important for you the doctor to take your temperature? Why is it important for the doctor to see how your heart is beating? Think about those things as we continue to read. Doctors monitor these statistics because they give us valuable information about our organs. Living organisms are made up of tiny parts called cells. Cells are the building blocks of the living matter that makes up plants and animals. All living organisms have structures with specific jobs that are necessary for survival. Wow, you guys, we just came out of the topic of animal adaptations and plant adaptations. So I'm just making a connection that both of them, animals and plants, have the same thing that we have, cells, and that helps us to live and strive and survive as well. It says some examples of these structures include the heart, lungs, pancreas, and reproductive organs. Okay, we're going to continue to learn about those things. Each of these organs is a part of a larger system that works together to get jobs done within the human body. The organisms that plants have are different from those in animals. Humans have some of the most complex, wow, I see a big word, complex. That means hard or difficult organ systems among the animal kingdom. What are organs? An organ is a structure inside of the organism's body that performs a specific job for that living thing. Most organs have a job that is vital for survival and that no other body part can make up for. If you look closely at the word organism, you will notice that the root word is organ. This is because most living things need organs to continue living. Let's look at this example. It says, take for example the lungs. Without the lungs, animals and also humans would not be able to breathe if there's air required for their survival. So just as well as animals need their lungs to breathe, humans also need lungs to breathe. Let's look at this photograph and let's look at the caption. Please make sure that when you're reading each section, you are also paying attention to the photos and the captions because they help you to connect what you are reading. So I can see here, this is an x-ray, and I see like bones. Can you see the bones? I'm pretty sure you can. I also see lungs. Can you see the lungs? I'm sure you can. These things on the side right here, those are depicted of the arms. All right. And then right here in the middle of your chest, that is where your heart is. Usually your heart is located on the left side of your chest. And the caption tells us that the heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. All right. So that is the section that I want you to read. Go ahead and make sure that if you need us to go back and reread this video or listen to it, go ahead and do that. And that is our reading for today. Okay, I'm just gonna try to figure out my video.